take a look at the EasyToys Bondage Kit. So this is everything that's included in the bondage kit. Now this is great for beginners or those who want an introduction into BDSM but are not quite sure where to start. It includes a feather ticklet just here, very simple and easy to hold, and provides a tingling sensation or a tickling sensation during use, and this heightens your senses. It's great to use in combination with the leather eye mask included. It features a foamy material on the inside of the eye protecting it and comes with an elastic backing, so you can't see anything and you just have to rely on your sense of touch. There's also a pair of ankle cuffs and handcuffs included, and you can also use them to be tied up somewhere else as well. They're all adjustable as well and made of a faux leather material and come with a foam lining so it protects the skin on the inside as well. Simple and easy to use. A great introduction into the world of BDSM. For more information on the EasyToys Bondage Kit, you can head over to our website. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you again next time.